Most service business owners are still focused only on traditional Google rankings, but they are missing the biggest shift happening right now. Here's the truth no one tells you. Google is no longer just showing websites, it is now showing AI-generated answers at the very top, and that is where most of the clicks are going. In this video, you will learn how to rank in Google AI Overview for service businesses step by step. You will understand what Google is looking for, how to structure your content, and how local businesses can actually get featured in these AI answers. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the one mistake that keeps almost every small business out of AI results. Let's start with the basics. Google AI Overview is a system that summarizes answers from trusted sources and shows them directly on top of search results. For example, if someone searches, "best plumber near me," or "how much does house cleaning cost," Google may show an AI summary before any website links. Now here's where it gets interesting. To rank in this AI section, your business does not need to be the biggest. It needs to be the clearest and most trusted source of information. First, you need strong local authority. This means your Google business profile must be complete. Name, services, location, photos, and consistent updates. For example, Jake runs an electrical service in Dallas. If his profile clearly shows services like emergency electrical repair and home wiring, Google understands exactly what he does. But here's the problem. Most businesses only optimize for humans, not for AI systems that read structure and clarity. So second, you need structured content on your website. This means simple pages like Plumbing Services in Chicago or HE Repair Cost Guide. Each page should clearly answer one question. No confusion, no vague text. Now here's where most people fail. They write long paragraphs that do not directly answer customer questions. AI systems prefer clear, direct answers that are easy to summarize. In a minute, I'll show you how to turn your service pages into AI-friendly content that increases your chances of appearing in Google's top answers. Let's go deeper. Third, you need question-based content. Think like your customer. They are not searching your brand name. They are searching things like, "how much does roof repair cost?" or "best electrician near me." Your content should answer these exact questions in simple language. For example, John, a handyman in Miami, created a page answering, "how much does drywall repair cost in Miami?" That single page started bringing him consistent leads because Google understood it as a direct answer source. Now here's where it gets even more important. Reviews and authority signals also matter. Google trusts businesses with real reviews, consistent activity, and local relevance. So your Google business profile and website must work together. Another key factor is clarity. AI systems do not rank complicated content. They rank content that explains things simply. Short sentences. Direct answers. No unnecessary fluff. Now imagine this. Someone searches, "best plumber in your city." Google pulls a clean summary. Your business appears because your website clearly explains services, costs, and solutions in a structured way. So here is the takeaway. Ranking in Google AI Overview is not about tricks or shortcuts. It is about clarity, structure, and trust. The businesses that explain their services better than others will win the visibility game. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more practical strategies that help you grow your service business in the new AI-driven search era.